But I'm daddy, big daddy, no caddy, all daddy, all field, all green, no shady. I meant to say shady, I'm too wavy. I've been drinking since I was navy blue. Pops and bottoms in office school. I'm in private school. I mean, how about you? The feeling good. It's all Good Friday. Niggas can't get up to my way. Can't get on my level. And even with the cheat code, I come in like the beast mode. Come through, dick swinging energy. You can't even stop from swinging me, and you follow me. Cause the vibe is right after nighttime. I got the fire rising up in the sky with the smoke and it's great and I'm feeling hot. Off the shroom, off the liquor too. They say I shouldn't drink, I become a different dude. But I'm still me, still got the same big energy.
That body free. We be sexing like 2 or 3. I got me a longboard now, everybody. Look at that. You won't believe how this was given to me. Someone's been watching my videos. I'm going to explain in the live stream soon. Look at this, everyone. Homelessness. So everyone, it was just an argument dispute on the community refrigerator. This guy here was assaulted by this woman here, and they're just like taking everything. So yeah, this is why we don't like coming to this community refrigerator. There's always a confrontation and a fight over food, and everyone is trying to survive. And this is how New York City has become so far. A place to struggle and survive. Everyone is trying to get free subsistence. I'm just trying to do some micro photography, and I hear an argument, and yeah, both parties are taking everything. So they're both guilty, but I keep telling them, you guys have to share. If you don't share, the community picture will be no longer. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is why community refrigerators are sometimes a troublesome situation. Let's go. So everyone, I'm trying this chocolate that is vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, as you can see. So this is what I like to eat. Yes, there are vegan options for chocolate. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the PandaPhotographer mobile cinema rig 6.1 version. I keep changing and adding things to it, but I wanted to show you what I did to it so far. But it's available for any smartphone because this is a universal smartphone cage, and I'm using the Sunway Photo AP152 Art Swiss compatible plates. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys how it looks when you can set it up as well. And keep in mind, I have this Yunwang Z quick release as well that's attached to a Art Swiss compatible plate, which means this is Art Swiss compatible as well. So with that said, everyone, hope you like it. So IRIX lenses. So I came here to like take some headshots, some product shots, right? And my IRIX 150 doesn't want to focus. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus. Something's wrong with the ring. I didn't drop this lens. I didn't do anything to this lens. It's not damaged and anything, but it doesn't want to focus. And it's making this weird noise. Check this. That is so weird, man. You hear that? You hear that? It's never made that noise before. It's been always smooth. See how it gets loose here? There's something wrong with this. Do you know, guys, what's going on with my lens now? Because I didn't drop it. You see it, it's now 24 hours. That's amazing. You know how convenient that is for a lot of people in this neighborhood to go shopping 24 hours a day? Yeah, who was already. So look who's in the cut. See? Everyone is plotting on the community refrigerator from a distance. I'm telling you, this community refrigerator stuff is getting real. It's like a competition. Yep, it's a competition because you got people in the corner over there across the street, as you can see. And then you have this group, then you got the group behind me, then you got the group across the street on the right. Just want to show you how they are fighting over food right now. Look at them. They're taking everything. Taking everything. So just to give you guys transparency, some people just don't care about other people in the community. I know it's first come, first serve, but you don't need to take everything. It's 5:30 in the morning, everyone. Look, every day is a 5:30 hustle. And I only got 1 hour of sleep last night. And now it's raining. So everyone, this is 467 Marcy Avenue. This is a EV charging station here in Bushwick, Brooklyn. So, originally this was for taxis or delivery personnel, but I have seen people that are civilians charging the EV vehicles here. And as I said, the address is 467 Marcy Avenue. If you have an EV vehicle, yes, there's a Toyota here, there's a Ford, there's a Tesla, and other vehicles parking here as well. Look, another Toyota. So EV station here, everybody, and there's a snack machine, there's some chairs, and you got a 1 hour limit to charge. And as you can see, people are in their cars, charging their vehicles and just relaxing or sitting out here enjoying their time. But with that said, everyone, here live in Brooklyn, New York City, charging EV charging station. So, I came here to refill the Metro card, right? Every station on the Green Line, from Metropolitan to Greenpoint, only has single fare. And single fare is $3.25. Who the fuck is gonna pay $3.25 for a single fare, right? So I walked purposely, I walked purposely from Metropolitan to Nassau to see if it's gonna happen at Nassau Avenue. I recorded there. Same thing. Same thing happened here. And this time when I buy another Army card, because the other Army card, I don't know, MTA is gonna have to figure out what went wrong with that one. This one I can't even get out. I'm not kidding you.